What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best 3D printers 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. With over 4,000 satisfied customers, ComGrow's 3D printer is a simple way to enter the world of 3D printing. With an open-source network, your kids can learn, design, and share their creations with top designers. With power loss recovery, a large print area of 220x220x250 and large, easy-to-move nozzles for leveling the printing bed, this is a simple printer that won't overwhelm beginners. Putting this printer together takes quite a long time, but with the manual, and the plethora of YouTube videos available, users have reported that it is rather straightforward. One buyer reviewed, "Overall, if you're looking to get into the hobby, this printer is a great entry point. It has good print quality and speed, and so far, has been very reliable." Number 4. Might be a touch pricier than some other options, but you get what you pay for with this Artillery 3D printer. This machine comes 95% pre-assembled and has a print bed stabilizing sensor to maintain a level platform, even while printing at rapid speeds. Some of its other perks are a filament sensor that pauses printing until it's refilled, resumed printing in case of a power failure, power-saving mode, a print bed that heats in less than 2 minutes, and a durable and sturdy aluminum frame. It's also one of the quietest printers on the market. One satisfied shopper wrote, "It is wonderfully quiet, and with the volcano hot end, it prints super fast. The cable management is something you normally only see on printers costing twice as much, and the build volume is huge." Number 3. Creality has made a name for itself by selling low-cost 3D printers with reasonable build quality. You can get less expensive printers with the same specs from other vendors, but generally speaking, Creality has managed to offer a consistent price-performance level, which is why we're spotlighting 2 of the company's printers on this list. It features a removable build surface plate, can heat to 110 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes, and it comes with a 12-month warranty with lifetime technical assistance and 24-hour customer service. You will need to allocate a few hours to build this printer. It does come with some sub-assemblies already put together, but some kit building is required. With a 220x220 build surface, there's a heated bed that can improve adhesion. It uses a 1.75 mm filament. Number 2. Sporting an 8.9-inch black and white LCD screen, with fast printing speeds, remote printing administration, and accurate printing, and a Cubix 3D printer is for professional 3D artists, but is intuitive enough for kids to use too. The Wi-Fi and USB connectors provide access to unlimited designs, whereas the covered large printing bed provides safety while printing larger models. One reviewer mentioned, "This is a great printer that is sturdy, well-built, and produces excellent quality prints," and another wrote, "The setup was quick and easy, and I was ready to begin printing in under an hour. Even dialing in the settings for a test print didn't take long." Number 1. As well as top printing quality, is what you'll get from this FlashForge 3D printer that has a cold printing plate to ensure little hands don't get burned. Its small size and user-friendly controls make this a great choice for younger users. This model can be used with a USB, Wi-Fi, or flash drive, and includes 3D cloud utilities, letting you store, revise and track your production status, as well as access new design models. A convenient 3.5-inch color touchscreen allows for easy control and design setup, and one satisfied customer confirmed that they were up and running in around 20-30 minutes. It is capable of printing very detailed and intricate objects, they wrote, adding that the Flash print software is easy to use and intuitive. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.